In this video, we will learn how to change the ringtone in a Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. So this is a Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. In market, there are several colors of S24 FE is available. For any colors of phone, the process is exactly same as I am showing here. So to change the ringtone, what you need to do, slide from top like this way and tap the gear icon here, gear icon. Now if you scroll down, you will see sound and vibration. So click here, sound and vibration. Now here you will see the ringtone. So click ringtone. Now there are a lot of ringtone and you can pick your favorite one. There are a lot of ringtone. Suppose I am picking this one or that one. Now even you can change the volume from here, or even you can adjust the volume from here. So this is volume up, this is volume down. Now if you want to activate the vibration mode, then click this one, then it will vibrate. And if you want to vibrate while ringing, then tap this one, then when the phone will ring, it will also vibrate. So that's it. Thanks for watching.